Yo, how's it going, guys? This is boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to recovery contacts in your iPhone. This is very simple. The first thing, go to settings. From settings, you see the above the screen, you see your iCloud name. Hit on it and scroll down until you see until subscription. You see iCloud. Hit on it and you found, scroll down until you found the contacts, until the cloud mail. You found contacts, you need disable it and toggle in, and you see the pop-up new window. Turn off contact. We will like you to do with the preferences and keep and hit your keep on my phone and wait for until for a half minute, and that and enable the contacts. You see you hit up merge. You need to merge it and wait for like a minute and a half, and after that you successfully recover the contacts in your iPhone. I hope that helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.